everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to check your Paxful wallet address. To check your wallet address on Paxful is super easy. First of all, open your Paxful application or your website and sign in to your account. After you are inside the home page of Paxful, go ahead and find the wallet option and tap on it. Once you open up the wallet section, tap on the receive button at the top. You will then get to choose the cryptocurrency you want the address for. I'm gonna select Ethereum. Right after you tap on the Ethereum option, you will be able to see your wallet address along with the QR code for easy sharing. But in order to reveal your wallet address, make sure that you have verified your identity. If you haven't verified your identity yet, you will not be able to see your wallet address. So that is how you will be able to find and check your wallet address on Paxful. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.